How do successful businesses manage accounts receivables to control interest costs and cash flows? Running a small or medium sized business, or SME, can feel like you're always trying to stay afloat, especially when profits are tight. If you've noticed that much of your money is tied up in unpaid invoices, working capital is always short, and those high interest costs are eating into your profits, you are not alone. It's a common problem, but there's a way to get things moving in the right direction. That's where the TIDE plan comes in. TIDE stands for tightening controls, improving customer payment behavior, diversifying your customer base, and enforcing strict payment policies. Let's break it down together. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.